Good afternoon, everyone. So this is John, Learn, Play and Express, and this is the second part of the Rudiments of Music lesson series that I've started. So just before I begin, I would like to say that if anybody is directly jumping into this lesson, I would suggest you go and check the first part of this, or else these are continual concepts. If you don't see the first part, you won't be able to understand or get what I'm trying to say in this part. So let me begin. So this is the part B of Rudiments of Music. So in modern music, we deal with commonly six kinds of notes. Okay, so 6 kinds of notes, and they are Semibreve, okay, Minim, Crotchet, Quaver, Semiquaver and Demisemiquaver. Okay, so if I draw a complete staff that I've shown you in the first part, let me draw a complete staff. You should be aware of the fact that the staff line should be straight. Here I am having some few problems, because of which I'm not getting them straight, but normally it is straight. You'll get notation copies as well when these things are drawn. You don't need to draw every time. So okay, so let me go by steps. Semibreve, it looks like this: a ball. Semibreve. So this is a semibreve. So what is semibreve? A semibreve is a whole note. Okay, a complete whole note. So if there is a kind of a beat, like say I would come to that in later lessons, like in a 4/4 we have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. If there is a semibreve, the semibreve gets the complete beat. Okay, so this is the whole note, semibreve. This conception will get more clear when I talk about different, when I make you understand the things in terms of a context. Then it will be clear. Just get the ideas right now. So this is called a semibreve. This is a whole note. Now next comes this thing which is called a minim. So this is a minim. Minim is half note. Okay. Then comes crotchet, C-R-O-T-C-H-E-T. Crotchet looks like this only, like a minim only you have to just darken the whole inside of this. This is a quarter. Okay. Then comes quaver. Quaver is same as a crotchet. Okay, so this is a crotchet. Now this is a quaver, just similar to a crotchet, but there is a stem which is going inside. This is an eighth. Okay, so now next is semiquaver. I'm not writing the complete thing here. Semiquaver, it's same as this. You have to darken the circle, coming down. One is going upwards, another one is going stem. It's like this. Yes. Okay, another thing is Demisemiquaver. I'm not, there's no space to write, so it's Demisemiquaver. It looks like this only we are having, there is a stem going up, another stem, there are 3 actually. So this is a Demisemiquaver. So for semiquaver, this is a 16th, a 32nd. or 30-second. Okay, so now let me explain the whole thing. This is a semibreve, this is a minim, this is a crotchet, this is a quaver, a semiquaver, demisemiquaver. So you can know, you can just notice one thing, that as we are going from this side to this side, this is a whole note. Okay, so this is a half note. So this is halved, and when we go to this crotchet thing, this crotchet is a half of this thing. So it's a quarter. I mean, if I take this as 1, okay, you'll get the idea of this. So this is a half note, so it's half, and this is a quarter, so it's 1/4, and for this quaver it will be 1/8, and for semiquaver it will be 1/16, and lastly 1/32. So from these figures you can get the note values, that if this is 1, this is half, again halved. That, I mean, half of this half is 1/4. Similarly, 1/8, 1/16, and 1/32. So if I have to draw the whole thing, you will get the idea of this. In Western notation, we represent the notes with these, I mean, symbols. If you have to say, it can be a semibreve, it can be a minim, it can be a crotchet, it can be quaver, it can be a semiquaver, demisemiquaver. Note, you should remember one thing, that if a note, for example, if I express a note with this crotchet, okay, so this crotchet representing the note, that means the quarter note gets the beat. Okay, so we'll get the hang of it with time. So just a comparison of the same, I would show this to you.